why I like using limit orders in this kind of setup, because this is what price they here. What's good, everybody? So we're currently in this EURUSD shorts. It's a live trade right here. Price is about to smash, take profit 1. So while price is moving, I'll just break down the reason why this trade was taken. So overall, EURUSD is in a downtrend, that's for sure. Or should I first of all break down this one? Let me break down this one we took yesterday. Send this trade out yesterday. Let me break that down. Let me break that one down first. So price here had this range. Price was ranging here, give us this chart pattern here. So I was waiting for a breakout. I was waiting for price to break out of this chart pattern, also breaking this level of support. This candlestick did that. This candlestick here broke that support, broke that chart pattern. On seeing this, we started to anticipate a retest, break and retest. Simple as that. So we already know that we're on a downtrend. Price has been forming lower lows, lower highs, consolidated. So we're expecting price to continue pushing downwards. And even if you use your trend line, you notice that price had this, price gave us this right here. We had this little channel, price pushing upwards, respected this trend line here, first touch, second touch, third touch, pushed back down aggressively. So price broke out of this channel, and this here was a retest of the channel. Price broke out of the channel, retested. We had this level of support, price turned it into a level of resistance. Price formed this chart pattern here again, consolidated, was anticipating a breakout. On seeing that 4-hour candlestick have closed below support, I was expecting to take profit smash for this one. Price closed below support, so I was anticipating a retest. That was when I now went to my smaller time frame. I was looking at the 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and the 5-minute time frame to see what price was doing. On the 1 hour time frame, I noticed that price is looking very clean. Price has broken out of that chart pattern there, broken out of that consolidation. So I drew my Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low. Once I saw that price has started pushing upwards, we had that exhaustion right there. So I drew my Fibonacci, waiting for price to get into that golden zone. I think I even sent it out. Right here. Yeah. So I said I'm interested in what price is about to do here at this 15-minute resistance. So you guys see, this is what I sent out to the free Telegram group. And here price gave us an entry confirmation. Price got to that resistance area that I was interested in, gave us a bearish engulfing candlestick on the 5-minute time frame. We executed. I sent it out. I said I spot a 5-minute bearish engulfing candlestick. We was in drawdown for a couple of minutes, but price just went back up to form a double top. As you can see, price formed a double top, and I said a double top on the 5-minute time frame. So we still held the trade, and the rest was history. Price just kept flooding down, smashing our take profit. So the confirmation for the execution of the trade was this 5-minute bearish engulfing candlestick. Stop loss above this wick here, above the wick for about 8 pips. We had an 8 pips stop loss. Our stop loss was above that resistance there. The rest was history. The rest was history. I think on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, on the 5-minute time frame we had a bearish hidden divergence. On the RSI here, when you follow the same area, you notice that price here was giving higher highs, but looking at the candlestick, you notice that price was giving us a lower high, so that there is a hidden bearish divergence, which signifies that price is going to continue pushing downwards. Price is going to continue selling. So that's it for this particular trade. Let me cancel this. So for this particular trade now, you know that we are still selling. I saw this resistance. I drew that resistance there. Came here on the 5-minute time frame. I saw this head and shoulders, left shoulder. We have the head here. We have the right shoulder, and our price has broken it. I'm currently retesting the neckline. Price has broken out of that neckline of the head and shoulders pattern, and now I'm expecting after price retest the neckline, continue pushing downwards. So we're currently in the trade. Let's see how it plays out. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens next. This is yesterday's trade. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens next. So here's the update. Price ended up pulling back, hitting the stop loss. So what I'm seeing is this higher high, higher low. That's what I'm seeing right now. Seems price was following this structure here. Lower lows, lower highs, lower low, then broke structure. The price is still at this resistance level. So this here is a higher low. So I'm trying to see if price will form a double top here. so I can still sell all the way down. So that's what I'm currently looking at. So I want to see a bearish engulfing candlestick. Let me see if this current 5-minute closes with a bearish engulfing candlestick. I'm executing. I think currently 2 minutes to go. If you close it with a bearish engulfing candlestick, I'm selling. Okay, it didn't close with a bearish engulfing candlestick. I'm still watching. Price might probably do this. Push upwards. It's still reacting to this resistance here. Any bearish engulfing candlestick I see, I'm executing. Bearish engulfing candlestick is all I need right now on this 5-minute time frame. I'll give you guys an update if price closes with a bearish engulfing candlestick. I'll give you guys an update, or should we wait for this current candlestick? For the first entry, price respected this support here and push back up. If price don't give any signal, I'll be calling it a day. Trying to come test this level here. Still rejecting. $30 seconds. Okay. Can you close with a bearish engulfing candlestick? Can you do that? Okay. 5. I'm executing. Nice. Ah, that wasn't a bearish engulfing candlestick, was it? Still executing. I just executed. So she was at 7 6 pips stop loss. Nice. I just executed, guys. I don't like this bearish engulfing candlestick. Didn't close. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. bearish engulfing candlestick was a wicked one. Was a wicked one. Something like this would have been sweet. Something like this. This bearish engulfing candlestick. Can you see how strong that is? Currently in drawdown. Let's see how it plays out. The price is given double top. Price is given double top. Insane drawdown. It's hitting stop loss like his stop loss. I'm seeing a bearish divergence on the 1 minute time frame. Seeing a bearish divergence on the 1 minute time frame. This current trade is looking very promising. Solid. Okay, so that there is looking very promising. Very promising. Very promising. Should I add another position? It's looking promising. You guys can see live. If this current 15-minute candlestick closes with a bearish engulfing candlestick, forget it. Forget it. This thing is melting. The reason why my take profit is somewhere there is because of this. We have this support here. We have this support here. So I'll keep you guys updated on the trade. We need another bearish engulfing candlestick, a solid one. We need a solid one. This one was deceiving. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the trade goes. Update. Guess what happened, guys? Insane. Price just kept pushing upwards and now formed a double top. The double top I've been waiting for. Formed it here on the 5-minute time frame. It seems I did not draw my zone well. Adjust and see. So that there is the resistance. I was looking at all this. I mean, this place is still a level of support and resistance, but it's just that which one will price respect. As you can see, price was reacting to that level, but now price pushed all the way into this level here, this resistance level, and rejected. Still seeing bearish divergence. Still seeing bearish divergence. I'm seeing it now on the 15-minute time frame. I'm now seeing a bearish divergence on the 15-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame I spot a double top. Now the question is, should we execute? Already taken them losses. Price has broken the neckline. Are we going to get a retest? I'll lower my stop loss. 5-pip stop loss. And I'll increase my reward. Let's say 5 times my risk. Or should I just make it 4 and aim for this? Let me make it 4 times my risk. Aiming for that same level of support. The same level of support. But let's see if we get a pullback. I'm anticipating a pullback. I might use a limit order for this one, a sell limit order. The price is still pushing, but I'm still waiting for a pullback first. If we draw your trend line here, you can see we still have that breakout. Now we're waiting for a retest. I'm going to use a limit order for this. I'm going to use sell limit order. Let me wait for price to start pulling back. I'll use the sell limit order. We have high impact news on USD in less than an hour. I usually take only 3 trades max per day. So I've taken 2 already. So this one is the last of the last. This one is the last trade for today. Most times if I take my first trade and it's a winning trade, I will just call it a day. But I'm taking this 3rd trade because we've been hitting stop losses. Price just pushing. Price is looking like it's trying to give us a head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. The price is still pushing. I'll wait for the pullback. I'm going to use a sell limit order. I usually wait for like confirmation. But one thing with this kind of setup is that price will just wick into that resistance to retest. By the time the wick will close, it will be around somewhere here. Then price will not give a bearish engulfing candlestick somewhere here before it start flooding. Normally I'm supposed to wait for a pullback, then a bearish engulfing candlestick somewhere there, execute. For this one I'm going to use a limit order. Price is still pushing, so I'll keep adjusting my fib. I'll keep you guys updated. Price is still flooding. Can you imagine that? After hitting our stop loss, bro. Can you believe this, bro? Crazy, bro. Crazy. So the issue with that entry was that our resistance zone wasn't drawn properly. It was drawn properly, wasn't it? Yes. We have this resistance. But we have another resistance here, which price ended up respecting. Price ended up respecting this resistance. All these places were all resistance. After hitting our stop loss, started falling like London Bridge. See. Okay, is that a pullback? Is that our pullback? Our pullback? Is that our pullback? Is that our pullback? I need a 5 pip stop loss. 4 times my risk. So I'll keep you guys updated if price gives us the pullback or not. If it gives a pullback, then it will look like a head and shoulders pattern, which here will be the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head and shoulders pattern. So I'll keep you guys updated. So you guys, you see, this is exactly why I like using limit orders in this kind of setup, because this is what price did here. Price has given us that double top and it has broken the neckline, and now we have high impact news at the same time. So what price is most likely going to do is wick into that our Fibonacci golden zone, wick into it and continue pushing down. So that's what I was looking out for here, and that's what price did. So price continued pushing downwards. That was when I adjusted my Fibonacci and price started pulling back up, placed and adjusted the entry point to that 0.5 level of our Fibonacci. So now price is currently pushing downwards. Price is gradually pushing downwards, as you can see here. Price is pushing downwards. So the high impact news tagged us in and continue pushing. So you see, imagine waiting for a bearish engulfing candlestick. That means entry would have been somewhere here, stop loss above that wick, then take profit to that level of support. You see, the risk to reward here is messed up. So that's why most times I like using limit orders. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the trade plays out. Stay tuned. Updates. Take profit smashed to the T, guys. It's insane. So here we have 4 times our risk, 5 pips stop loss, 20 pips take profit. Now we made back the 2 losses here plus 2% on top. Now that's the power of risk to reward. That's crazy. So that's it for this trade. Price pushed all the way into the resistance. We had a bearish divergence on the 15-minute time frame. Price gave that bearish engulfing candlestick, formed a double top on the 5-minute time frame. Price formed a double top, broke the neckline, so we were anticipating a pullback, a retest. News came in, tagged us in, and melted all the way down. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoy videos like this, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.